storms just keep coming. And looks like we're about to get hit by one again. Because I heard the thunder. Literally, I heard the thunder, but I didn't see any lightning. So, I might try to get something out here if I can. It is too dark over there. Holy shiz. Like, holy crap. Let's get down here. Oh my god, wow. Yeah, this thing's gonna come directly over us, I think. Because there's been storms, because we've had storms non-stop come over here. And looks like today is another big day of storms. Surprised how slow this thing's moving, actually. Alright, let's go back inside, just see if I can get a look at radar. Because it's like only 1:40 in the afternoon. Storms never flare up this early. They never flare up at this time of day. Alright, radar. No, it's not here yet. Alright, so looks like it's just gonna go north of us. So we might be good. Alright, let's go outside. Go outside. Is there a storm out there?
Is there a storm?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Out there. There's one out there.
Well, if you're going to do that, close the door because my dog is not going to run out.
Here we go. Yeah, I heard thunder. Again. I don't even know if there's any lightning. I just know for a fact there's thunder. I don't know if there's lightning with this. Because it's early. Because it's only like 1:47 in the afternoon. Yeah, it looks like it's sprucing this way. Yep. Supposed to be getting I'm getting a new weather radio, so you won't be seeing the black Radio Shack game. So you won't be seeing the black Radio Shack as much. You'll be seeing the new Radio Shack I'm getting. Where is this lightning? I don't see any. I actually do not see any lightning whatsoever. Where is it? I hear thunder, but I see no lightning. I'm going back on my porch because it's safe. Whoa. I have no idea where these storms are even at. I don't even know where the storm's going. Bill's saying I might come across this field. And it's starting to rain somewhat. Well, shit. Alright, it's coming down heavy now. Oh, I'm gonna stay like right here. Yeah, it looks like there's a storm. Where is it? Is it coming? Is it over here? This must be it right over here. I'm kind of getting nervous because I don't know where this storm is even headed. But in my case, looks like it's going to be going across here. But except it might get a few strikes. I don't know. I haven't been getting too lucky here. Yeah, I haven't been getting too lucky now. Holy dang! Where was that? That sounded like a bolt. You can tell because of the thunder. Yeah, this is kind of crazy already. Where is it? I hear thunder, but I see no lightning. The ATA bus is making a mistake. Yeah, I don't see any lightning, although I do hear thunder. So it looks like we're gonna get. Looks like this might be severe. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside before I get blasted with rain. Let's go.
Cross army, Zach.
Yeah, look at this.
Cross army.
Yeah, look at there. You were lying. Hey.
Nothing we can. Don't close the door, Zach.
Oh dear. But yeah, there was like a crush earlier that sounded like a bolt. Holy. Yeah, thunderstorm knows it's gonna be going this way. So I am ready. Oh, I think I saw a little lightning over there. There we go. Oh, there's a bee. My God! This is perhaps going to be a crazy storm. I don't see any bolts or nothing. I don't see any lightning. Oh my God! Where is the lightning? I don't see any.
What's it calling for, Zach?
What?
Storm.
It's not in a special. It's not a special weather statement. It's not short forecast. It's not severe.
So it's not a tornado?
No, it's nothing.
Good.
I looked at radar. It's gonna somehow it might cut across over here, like a few miles away. I'm just watching it because it's beautiful.
Do me a favor.
What up?
Never vape, never smoke, never drink.
Got it.
You want to come over here and give me knucks on that? Yeah.
Oh,
Give me knucks on that. You promise?
promise. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some bolts I caught. Oh my god, actually scared me a bit. I'm not daring it. Whoa, here comes the burst over there. You'll see it in full character soon. Where is the lightning? I hear thunder, but I don't see any lightning. That's crazy. Thunderstorms usually always come with lightning. This one apparently is not. Oh wow. Here.
I'm getting inside before the
Yeah, I'm gonna go into.
Oh, these are 100s. I forgot.
Actually, I'm gonna stay out here for a bit too. What?
Shit.
Oh my god!
You gotta keep the door closed, buddy.
I will. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! Yeah, this storm is no joke. This thing is no joke whatsoever. Yeah, this storm is no joke. Whoa! Okay. This thing might actually be severe. Oh my god.
Okay, Zach.
Woo! Woo!
I understand, Zach.
Woo!
Zach,
What?
come here.
It is not severe. What the heck? Alright, let's see if we can catch any more CGs. Because this storm seems to be on my luck today. Whoa! Oh my god! You should go experience this. I don't know. This thing isn't even severe warned. It sounds severe, but it doesn't look severe. God. Oh. Oh. One struck over there. There's another bullet struck there. Oh my god! Look at all the lightning's back there. This storm is slowly starting to shake my nerves a bit. I'm gonna keep calm though. I don't know where these are even striking. Whoa. Alright, this is a dangerous situation. I don't know where these bolts are striking, and they could be close. This is very dangerous. I just gotta keep my confidence and pray to God. Standing back. Because these could come close. These could actually come close. Well, dang. It was so strong before, but then it just suddenly blagged. It just suddenly blah. Like, it wants nothing to do now. Never mind. I take that back. Never say that, or the thunder will just keep going. Okay. Okay. Okay, looks like the wind's starting to pick up now with this rain. Yeah, I don't know where these bolts are striking. Is it just me, or am I missing all the lightning? Because I absolutely see none. Because the storm's cutting across this way. And I see no freaking lightning whatsoever. Unless this went severe, it might be going a little slow. Because I see no lightning. Oh! That scared me. Recording a storm like normal.
Please tell me it's not.
What's going on?
You're really getting fed.
What's going on? Okay. There, camera's good. Whoa! That was right there! Wait for the crush. Wait for the crush! Oh my god, I caught that! I saw that in the sky! That was a bolt! Oh my god! Wow, this is beautiful now! What? What's up? Oh my lord.
Recording this for your weather channel on YouTube.
Whoa.
Back ready?
I said.
Well, yes, sir. I know it'd be nice when someone talks to you. You usually get some bad words, you know.
Where is it gonna strike next? Look, I saw a bolt in that sky, in the sky over there. Like it was just a sky bolt.
Yeah, you usually get that during a storm, dude. It's normal.
I'm watching right here. Whoa! Oh my lord, I caught that one! Wow! That was beautiful. Huh? Yeah, awesome. Oh, that was close. Alright, where shall the next one be? Because the lightning energy is back in here. Like the lightning energy just like skyrockets back in here somewhere. Like back in here. Oh! Kidding you not, that was close. Yeah, I saw that.
Hopefully I don't die today.
Hopefully. Make yourself what last. Alright, now I'm watching out here. Wow. These are too close. I mean, these are getting close. The bolts are getting close. Well, I'm kind of getting worried now. Just gotta relax. I'll be okay. I'm also thinking this one's severe warned. That's starting to spark my interest. This right here is starting to spark my interest. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Whoa! Where the hell did that strike? This is getting dangerous now because I don't know where these are going to strike now. They just get closer each time. Okay, it suddenly got quiet. Where are these striking? Really, where are these striking? I bet you if I take one step, it's gonna strike. Nothing. Okay. Where are these bolts? Literally. I'm hearing big crushes of thunder, but yet I don't see the freaking bolts. Like, this is getting crazy. If I had a GoPro for every time, if I had a camera with a tripod for every time I would be out here recording storms, it would be $1. So basically, I'd be rich right now. Where? I'm not freaking out. I'm just saying where. Ugh. Huh. It's the hot spot for lightning now over here. Oh, there's a storm behind us. So that's what's going on now. There's a storm right there. So apparently this one's weakened. And a new one has formed behind it. Yeah, this one's weakened. Below strong limits. I'm trying to catch one last bolt before I go to the before I go upstairs to the bathroom so I can catch something. So this one's like weakening. And a new storm has formed behind us. So I may go check that out in a minute. Yeah, I'll just chill out right here. My God. I'm about to check lightning alerts here in a minute. Oh, snap! Well, here comes the rain. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah, I'm about to go inside soon. How about now? Let's go. How about now? It's pouring now. It's pouring. It's starting to pour. Alright, let's go. Let's go see what I can catch. Whoa! Oh my God! Where did that strike? Holy shit! Oh my God! Close this window! Oh my God! Where did that strike? Oh my God! What? What?
Hey.
What?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh!
How was the stat?
They're good.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
Oh!
Hey.
Wow. Where's the next one gonna strike? That one sounded way too close. Literally, that one sounded too close. That one sounded too close. Yeah. Let's go check if there's a severe warning on. Let's check. Number 1, flash flood warning. Number 2, unrecognized message.
Area. Flash flooding expected.
Unrecognized message.
Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch.
Unrecognized warning.
Up to 1/2 inch. Some locations
How long does it go
that may
to?
experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Shaler Township, Wilkinsburg, Swissvale, O'Hara Township, Fox Chapel, Millvale, Etna, Sharpsburg, Edgewood, Aspinwall.
Unrecognized
This includes
warning goes
Interstate
till
376 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 72.
Must be flash flood warning
in
then.
between mile markers 75 and 77.
But dang! This storm is nothing but bolts. Wow! That one though struck close.